Howdy YouTubers, just wanted to give you an update while I haven't been making very many videos. It's been stuff like this. If you hear it, there's a tornado warning, and yes, I am standing outside like an idiot. But I wanted to show you guys this. This is amazing. I've got pictures out the wazoo. Yeah, that's my stereo playing in there, my ghetto stereo. It's my mower. I got to show you guys still and everything else, but yeah, look at this. This is amazing. This is amazing. Wow, look at that. Whoa! Check that out. Dude! This is just amazing. Let's take a walk around the other side of the garage. Wow! Look at that. Tornado siren's going off like a madman. I don't see nothing. I ain't got a storm cellar or a basement anyway, so all I'll do is just either run into the garage or run into the house. That over there is amazing. I wish you could see it better. It's so calm, not raining or nothing. That kind of worries me. Look at that. Bring your first-hand footage. Clear sky over there. Clear sky over there. Getting dark and getting darker over here, though. Look at that. Look like the shut off the siren. Look at that. That is just amazing. Isn't it? Well, YouTubers, I think I'm going to make a couple more videos, and hopefully, if this gets any worse, I'll capture another shot. Hey, look over there. There's something sticking down. Well, I'm out, guys. Take it easy.